Hello, hi guys, welcome you all to the DevOps Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. I am here on the Chrome browser. Let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/practice, hit enter. I directly got this tasks UI because I auto saved my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. Okay, let me click on the start button just right to the 100 days of DevOps headline. And today we are going to see SElinux installation and configuration task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. Before reading the task, just in case you don't know what is SElinux, actually SElinux is a tool which will help us to make security of our OS at the kernel level. Now let me read the task and then we will look into the solution. Following a security audit, the Exfusion Corp Industries security team has opted to enhance application and server security with SElinux. To initiate testing, the following requirements have been established for App Server 1 in the status data center. Install the required SElinux packages. Permanently disable SElinux for the time being. It will be re-enabled after necessary configuration changes. No need to reboot the server as a scheduled maintenance reboot is already planned for tonight. Disregard the current status of SElinux via the command line. The final status after the reboot should be disabled. Alright, first we need to install SElinux package in the App Server 1. In order to install SElinux package in the App Server 1, we need to log into App Server 1 first. For that, let me click on this details of all users and servers button to get App Server 1 login details. Okay, Tony is a username and server name is stapp01. This is the password. Let me copy it. By default, we are on the jump host. Let me take remote session into the App Server 1. SSH, Tony is the username and stapp01 is the server name. Let me type yes and then paste the password here. Now we are in the App Server 1 as a Tony user. Before doing anything, first let me check what is the OS of our server. So for that we need to use the cat/etc/os-release. So with this command we can able to see what is our current OS. It is CentOS. We can use SC status to check the SElinux status. So SElinux status is disabled. What I will be doing is sudo yum install SElinux. Let me type the password, paste it, hit enter. We are trying to install SElinux package in our App Server 1. Just wait for a while. Unable to find match SElinux. Maybe something else we need to use. Let me go to the search of Chrome. How to install SElinux in CentOS. Let me click on any one of the links. So enable SElinux if disabled. Okay, let me copy this command and then paste it here. But for us, we are installing, right? Not reinstall. So let me remove this RE. Then hit enter. Type yes. Package names will be different, guys, even though this is also for SElinux, but this is how we need to give a command to install SElinux, not the just SElinux. I'm going to give this link in the description. Please have a look into it. Yes, it is installed. Now let me do the SC status. Still it is disabled. Let me check the configuration once. Cat etc SElinux / so this is the configuration file of our SElinux package. So I wanted to use VI instead of nano. If you observe here, SElinux is enforcing. So enforcing means SElinux security policy is enforced. No SElinux policy is loaded. We need to have disabled. See here, as they mentioned, disregard the current status of SElinux via the command line. The final status after reboot should be disabled. Since reboot we are not doing, they have scheduled and it is going to done automatically. We need to make sure it is disabled, okay, as per the task they asked us to do. Now let me press I. I type disabled, escape, X, enter. It is in disabled state. That's what we need to check, and that's what we need to make configuration changes. Now let's validate our work, whether we did it right or not. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it right. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.